Let us help you file your country-by-country report. We can do it within 24 hours for €500 ex VAT and assisting you with the upload. So here's what we do. We send you an Excel template where you need to fill in all the numbers which are required for the country-by-country reporting, and you fill in all the company details into the template. When the template is complete, you send it to us. We will convert it into an XML file for you. We will validate the XML file against the OECD's XSD schema to make sure that there are no mistakes. If any changes need to be done, we will mark these for you so you know what we've changed. We will then send you the XML file and a readable format of the XML file so you can verify the data and be sure that what is in the XML file is the same as what you thought were in the Excel file. And when everything has been verified, we will help you on a Teams call to upload your XML file to your tax authorities. Many tax authorities have additional requirements which are not always clearly published, and these present themselves as errors when you try to do the upload. While we're on the call on Teams, we can make the changes that are required, send you the new file, and then you can upload it. And we simply repeat that process until we get the file successfully uploaded. Our total services in this regard, you can contact us at johanmuller@bettertax.info. The price is €500 ex VAT. If you're not in Denmark, there will be no VAT due. It includes we sending you the Excel template, doing the XML conversion for you, validating the XML file against the OECD requirements, making an easily readable XML file for you, and assisting you with the global upload. In case there are a lot of errors or there's a lot of issues going on with the uploading, we obviously would like to charge more than the €500, but that will always be discussed with you up front. And this will not be for correcting one or two mistakes or trying 3 or 4 times to get the file uploaded. This is if there are serious issues with the file. Finally, our typical turnaround is 24 hours. If you need shorter time because it's the last day of the year or something has gone wrong, you need to leave for Christmas or for vacation, we can do it for less, but it costs double. I hope this helps you, and we look forward to hearing from you if and when you need us. Bye for now.